seeds that boost flavor and health. Have you ever wondered how tiny seeds can hold the power to transform your health and flavor your food? In the world of Asian cooking, seeds are more than just spices. They're nature's secret weapon. Let's uncover the secret powers of seeds that add flavor and boost your health all at once. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, known for their sweet, licorice-like flavor, are a must-have in many Asian kitchens. Nutritional benefits. Fennel seeds are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps reduce bloating. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and iron, helping to boost immune function and support heart health. The seeds are also believed to help regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation. They are commonly used in spicing up curries. Add them to curries for a sweet undertone. Mouth freshener. Chew roasted fennel seeds after meals to refresh your breath. Pickles and chutneys adds a refreshing kick to pickles and sweet chutneys. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds have a warm, earthy flavor and are essential in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Pakistani cooking. Nutritional benefits. Cumin seeds are a rich source of iron, important for maintaining energy levels, especially in vegetarians. They also contain antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C, which can boost immunity. Cumin is known to aid in digestion, improve cholesterol levels, and may have anti-inflammatory properties. You can use them in tempering. Add cumin seeds to hot oil to flavor dals, curries, and vegetables. Spice mixes, used in spice blends like garam masala or chaat masala. Cumin tea. Brew them for a light digestive tea. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are tiny but powerful, offering a sharp, pungent flavor when used in Indian, Sri Lankan, and Bengali dishes. Nutritional benefits. Mustard seeds are rich in selenium, a mineral known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health, and magnesium, which helps in lowering blood pressure and improving sleep. Additionally, they contain glucosinolates, which may have cancer-preventive properties. They're perfect for tempering. Mustard seeds are fried in oil until they pop, releasing their flavor into curries and dals. Pickling, essential in Indian pickles for a spicy kick. Vegetable stir-fries, add them to stir-fries for an extra punch. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, available in both black and white varieties, are widely used in Indian, Chinese, and Southeast Asian cuisines. Nutritional benefits. Sesame seeds are packed with healthy fats, especially omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which promote heart health. They are a rich source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all crucial for bone health. Sesame seeds also contain sesamin, a compound that may help lower cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. They're commonly used for garnishing, sprinkle on top of stir-fries, noodles, or sushi for added texture. Tahini and pastes, ground into tahini or sesame pastes, used in sauces and dips. Sweets, found in desserts like tilgul and sesame ladoos. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have a slightly bitter flavor and are often used in Indian and Middle Eastern dishes. Nutritional benefits. Fenugreek seeds are known for their high content of fiber and protein, making them great for managing weight and blood sugar levels. They're also rich in iron, magnesium, and manganese, and are believed to help control cholesterol levels and improve digestion. They're perfect for curries, common in curry powders and masalas. Pickles, adds bitterness to Indian pickles. Health benefits, soak the seeds overnight and consume for digestive benefits. Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds add a citrusy, earthy flavor to many dishes and are used both whole and ground. Nutritional benefits. Coriander seeds are packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium, which support healthy digestion, maintain strong bones, and promote heart health. They're also rich in essential oils that have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and cholesterol-lowering properties. They're great for curry bases. Used in masala pastes for curry gravies. Spice mixes, essential in Indian spice blends like garam masala. Pickles, adds a zesty flavor to Indian and Southeast Asian pickles. Nigella seeds. Nigella seeds, with their slightly peppery and onion-like flavor, are used in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Turkish cooking. Nutritional benefits. Nigella seeds are known for their high content of antioxidants, including thymoquinone, which has anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. They're believed to support liver health, regulate blood sugar, and help reduce cholesterol levels. They're great in breads, sprinkled over naan or parathas. Pickles, adds flavor to pickles and spice blends. Curries, unique addition to vegetarian dishes and dals. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and are used in Bengali and Mughlai dishes. Nutritional benefits. Poppy seeds are rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium, which help support bone strength and red blood cell formation. They also contain healthy fats and are known to promote sleep and relaxation due to their content of alkaloids. They're perfect for gravies, ground into a paste for creamy gravies. Desserts, found in sweets like couscous halwa. Breads, used as a topping on bread and baked goods. Ajwain seeds. Ajwain seeds have a strong, thyme-like flavor and are commonly used in Indian cooking for both flavor and digestive health. Nutritional benefits. Ajwain seeds are rich in thymol, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They aid digestion, relieve bloating, and are used to treat cold symptoms. They're also known for their ability to reduce acid reflux and stomach discomfort. They're great for fried snacks. Add to samosa or pakora batter for a punch of flavor. Parathas, mixed into dough for flatbreads. Medicinal uses, boil in water to aid digestion.